So right now we're gonna try to attempt to take the tram out of this hostel. Yeah, this not hostel, university. So yeah, look at that. Whoa, we flag down. Alright, man. 刷卡成功. Alright. Alright, yeah, nice. You get behind, I'll sit here. You guys can. Wait, what you two better? Diamond shape, diamond formation, guys. Alright now, so. Oh shit. Oh man, look at that beauty. Alright. Shit. Shit. Oh man, that was so cool. I would totally pay 1 yen to get all the way here faster than freaking walk all the way out and die in the boots. Hey, 烧烤啊，烧烤。Good stuff.
It's Friday night. I think more people.
Later on, hey, 来呀来呀 No one.
Oh, no, the 烧烤 so big, 拉肚子 tomorrow. You 拉肚子 right?
Hey, you know what? We are the Mala boys. We're supposed to 泻肚子. No pain, no gain, right? No pain, no gain, they say. Hey, you know what? Guys, this is the first time we came to the traffic light, standing here waiting for the traffic light.
Oh man, Mala boys. Nice.
Oh, Mala boys.
Get ready to cross, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Mala boys, we get very used to running this shit. Screw you. So apparently, we're gonna eat some Chongqing and it's all here. It's all here. Right? This store. Right?
有纯蒜泥的，你们现在不吃辣椒的，纯蒜泥的，有泡椒蒜泥的，有蒜泥加粉丝的，啊，8块12。
Damn.
价钱都一样，这两家都是一样的，我的价钱不是高卖的。
这3个什么肉啊？
这是鸡皮，这是五花，这是羊肉串。
羊肉串是吧？羊肉串多少钱一串？
羊肉串10块，10块。这个鸡胗，这个是3线肉，这鸡中翅，这骨肉相连，这排骨。有没有鸡皮？就是4块，和鸡皮。
It's like a fish.
你要摄像的吗？是摄像的吗？嗯。
Oh man, look at the picture. 没有啦，是这里而已。
刚刚 picture 的。
Try this boiled peanut. Boiled.
That's what they call service.
Oh damn, they get it. Woo. And then some chai latte.
No, I don't say. I say
Nice.
I eat before.
It's what? Pig what?
猪脚。
猪脚. And it is? What is this? 猪皮. And Keith is like loving the pig stuff. He's a pig at heart. He's a pig at heart.
Look at the quality of this glove, man. Very good.
Give me a small one. Tell me how they. Come here.
一般很少。Yeah, 猪脚也台湾。But eat the tendon and the.
Yeah, eat the 味道 one. Eating not for people 肉 one, dude.
Eat the skin.
Yeah, eat the skin one.
我去新加坡豬腳館，很容易。
Steamy.
Good 誒，已經很慢。我覺得比較大嘅。
The taste is fucking big.
Can't believe it, I'm eating a pig's feet. I've grown very much from eating a chicken feet to pig's feet. One day I might eat pig's feet as well.
When I'm sleeping
Yeah, but Kenji.
You decide first, you all want or not?
This is pig skin,
I
man.
think it's much cheaper, right? If than going alone.
I mean, you all just now we calculated. I think it's cheaper than we go alone.
But what's the timing like?
7 o'clock must meet.
No, what I mean is, you stay there how long?
Whole day ah. 4 then come back.
Then, huh? 4 o'clock then come back.
4 o'clock come back.
Maybe then it's only off.
This is nice. 不辣不爽，不辣不爽，Marcus。
不辣不爽。
不辣，You say one 啊？You say one 啊
？Oh shit! I just realized what does it mean.
害怕不爽。
不辣不爽。
Oh damn! Look at this. This what? Duck. Duck something lah. Duck meat lah. Like, oh damn! Binja is there. It's like.
Binja is here man.
Eh, binja.
No
Look.
lah, there's no binja lah. Fuck my binja is it?
chill. Your binja will come. Oh damn! 谢谢，你很漂亮。这个，哇哦，哇哦。
No.
Man.
I cannot. Too big. Binja skin. Can you roll it off?
See, still off me up.
Wow.
Must eat.
This is recommended by Zhao Yun.
Wow. This is good. Hey, damn nice.
Oh,
Shiok
with this thing ah.
Got water.
must eat together. Must have this thing, then plus the
Wow.
must eat together.
I don't know taste ah.
Otherwise, it's not show. But this one they cut too big already. Normally must be smaller. So everywhere also have a lot. Then it be the garlic too big already. Normally it's smaller. So everything is filled with garlic.
How to?
Yeah, then you must more nicer.
Oh my god.
But this one still got the taste lah.
Oh, like eating like the what? Maybe you just get the miso automatic the thing.
Yeah, you must get
This is
the.
豆干, right?
Yeah. Very nice, right? So I told you this one must order.
Damn worm. And this is the duck meat.
No, that is mantou.
Mantou?
Yeah. No, pray to bell curve god.
Eh, the more mala something for Marcus Park.
No more.
To bell curve god.
清汤. Okay, 清汤.
To better GPA, pull up the picking GPA, and screw the bell curve god.
Screw the bell
Because it's all our effort. Right guys, right now we're just being Singaporean. We're trying to check out the queue because it's a queue, we need to check it out and it means nice stuff. And yeah, indeed, it's a nice stuff.
It's $10 for 4, man.
It's looking good! Damn!
Your corn, man, guys, you
So this is this shirt, man. It says Taiwan Grill. Yeah, man, let's get it, man. Wow, so handsome. You're shy.
Okay.
Okay, he's good at the corn, man.
It's lagging, guys.
Alright,
Welcome,
thank
guys, let's go,
you.
man.
Shit. Oh my god, look at this. Woohoo! Yeah, man. Oh, damn.
What is this? This is 海狮 thing again, man. The one that 海狮 thing.
This is the best corn I ever eaten in my life.
Really, man?
You fucking trying to live so
I mean, I never eat corn so flavorful before lah.
I think the stomach is coming already.
Come on, what? Bro.
Toilets. Hey, don't block the door, guys. Let's go, let's go.
Need a nut here. Damn, look at that, man.
Everyone sweet, guys.
Everyone, hey. Oh, damn. Wow, this is awesome. No, I don't think over you. Huge, man.
This is $2 thing, dude.
damn, man. Stop. Oh my god, look at the music. Oh yeah. Stop. Stop. Oh. Pretty cool. Woo. What?
We're not riding the motor. We're still going to supermarket. They want this, Is it a pancake thing?
What's up, man?
Just happy birthday.
Dude, why?
Children,
Is it?
No lah, it's happy birthday. Where's the sun? Oh yeah, I saw already.
Let me show you the journey to toilet, right?
Whoa, guys, check it out. This is our Adidas sale, yo.
Wow. When there's a people, right?
When there's people, we want to go.
It's a Singaporean instinct, we need to go, right? Right. We need to move out.
Yes, we have to go.
Hey, what are you
there.
doing? Faster, faster. Hey. We need to be like Singaporeans. Hey, like, guys. Guys, I got a bad feeling, man. I think it's just gonna be.
Hey, you
fruits.
see the dog fucking cute, and fucking big.
Oh, is it? Screw you, Keith. Screw you, Keith. You brought us to, to buy fruits. You think we're auntie, huh? You think we're auntie, Huh?
No, we gotta try,
Fruits.
Oh, you want to have some sugar cane?
Oh, is your is it hers?
Oh, it's the owner.
Oh, it's so cute. Let me write you. Let me write you, man.
You mean the dog or the owner?
Oh damn! Oh damn! Oh damn! Oh damn! I'ma hold you up. I'ma hold you up. Yo. Like looks like the dog just went into a pharmacy. Look, this crazy dog.
Damn cute, the dog.
Who let the dogs out? It's like.
Why are we even recording that? Oh my god.
Do you get banged by Zhao Yuan and
No,
Keith?
if I banged him yesterday night.
No, that looks like a position that he can bang. He's like that. Ready?
No.
Fire us.
I don't know if it.
Watch your front.
I don't know if it's
Andy.
I'm not bending from position. I don't think it's kidney. Okay, let's continue. I think it's muscle.
I'll get a drink for you.
Day 2 and this guy he declared kidney problem. Man, we haven't even started the freaking course.
I'm bugging. Carry on. One behind. Oh my god.
I think it's probably just shit inside.
No. It's the lower back. Fuck.
The shit all stuck inside. You haven't shit like this today?
Today,
Today I just outside.
today I taught Marcus how to do bench press, and then he had back problem. Yeah, and this is the adult bending position.
Trying to stretch, you know.
Bending from position.
You cannot climb over. It's like going through there. Oh man, I want a dog like that. Oh man, I want a dog like that.
You want to own like that?
What's your line?
Look at you. Oh man, this dog is Blue's Clues, man.
Have you seen Blue, my puppy?
Just like the owner is girl, it's a girl.
No, it's a white paw. It's a white cruise.
Oh, it's freaking cute, I mean a dog. Yeah.
Let's get a normal ear. Not this brand, this brand is 60.
When I say pow pow, you say
Pow pow.
no, Chiba, you screwed this up, man.
泡泡
We do have the 默契。
果冻有泡泡，汪汪，泡泡果冻真的会生气。泡泡，果冻有泡泡。
How can he be this not serious when he's having a lower back pain?
Hey, you okay not? standing bending prone position. You're not high enough, you cannot float.
You guys we only had two bottles of China wine.
China wine.
2 bottles of China wine, San Ho.
Hey, what's the rate,
Huh? China wine. Eh. No. I don't know. How I know?
Hey, lucky stone eh. But you're not lucky, can come back and beat you.
Screwed up, eh, yo.
So you can eat the chicken man.
Huh?
不好吃来打我。
What?
不好吃来打我。
Oh, that's the first time I hear that long.
Dragon.
They drag. Oh damn. But I used to eat it. My amma every day do.
Oh, my parents
every day. Every day. Every 30 seconds. Yeah.
They pui ah.
Yeah, then she every time aim one wrongly one. Then she aim the thing right. She
She
aim.
her own shoe not. She done like that. That's her own shoe tio.
No lah.
You want milk tea here? No, I want that one.
Aiyo.
Hey, like liao.
Relax. Right, man. Apparently someone's birthday and the guy is romantic as hell. He did this, man, for the girl. Check this out. It's a crowd here.
Hey, is this the time when we 笑嫁给他？
Whoa.
现在快了，我不。
Who's the girl? Oh, the one is the star. Oh, I thought that one is the delivery person. Oh shit, man. Hey. Woo! Hey. Hey.
It's not a propose.
Huh?
It's not a propose.
It's just me.
Yeah, happy birthday to his wife. Thankful for the.
Oh, his wife already
Oh, wife already.
Yeah.
Wife already. Hey, disperse, guys, disperse.
Hey, game is over lah, guys. Come, let's go.
Disperse, yeah. Who the hell are we? You know? Wow.
How many take?
Wow.
guys.
Let's go. Wish them all the best in their marriage, because marriage is supposed to be lovely like this.
Yours still got
Singaporeans, you need to learn, man.
6 hours to
Come to Chongqing and learn how to be romantic like them.
If you all can sit on the bus, right?
Yeah, maybe the weather is to be blamed, huh? What?
You can't do some rock climbing
Rock climbing
教员说话 rock climbing
Rock climbing 现在时间都已经11点了 Screw you, man. I'm getting some hot
I know what to call Marcus say.
hot swamping. What swamping is it?
小可爱 Marcus one.
Yo, look at that, yo, swamping, yeah. The pearl is a bit harder than Singapore one. But the pudding is nice, yeah.
But you don't need the pudding.
Cheers, mate. Hey.
You want to go one day?
No, but I drinking milk tea lah, a good boy. I'm a good boy. GPA. Wow, y'all Mala boys ah. One traffic light ah. Need to sit on a rock ah.
Hey, dude, it's the opposite.
You just pretend like we're taking picture. Kidney failure, come here. Okay, wait. So we just go clockwise. Okay, we just keep turning. Okay. Don't pull. Okay, ready? Okay, go turn. Oh, fuck it!